identify wrong statement from the following. In an intrinsic semiconductor, intrinsic means it is a pure semiconductor, means it is a pure germanium crystal or it is a pure silicon crystal. So, in an intrinsic semiconductor, number one, the number of free electron increases with temperature. What happens? When we increase the temperature of pure germanium or silicon crystal, we know that in germanium or in silicon, every germanium atom will form 4 strong covalent bonds with 4 of its neighboring germanium atom by sharing 1 electron each from 4 of its neighboring germanium atom. And at absolute zero temperature, these 4 covalent bonds are so strong so that no free electrons are available at absolute zero temperature. Means at absolute zero temperature, germanium or silicon, that is intrinsic semiconductor, they behaves like an insulator. Why they behave like insulator? Because no free electrons are available. Why no free electrons are available? Because these covalent bonds are strong. But at room temperature, few of these covalent bonds, they becomes weak and few free electrons are available. Very few free electrons are available at room temperature. And if we go on increasing the temperature of intrinsic semiconductor, as the temperature goes on increases, more and more covalent bond they will break and more free electrons are available for conduction of electricity. Means in an intrinsic semiconductor, number of free electron increases with increasing temperature. This statement is true for intrinsic semiconductor. Second, there are no free electron at absolute zero temperature. As we know, at absolute zero temperature, these covalent bonds are strong. So, no free electrons are available. An intrinsic semiconductor, they behave like insulator. It means this second statement is also true about intrinsic semiconductor. The third statement, the number of free electron is less than that in conductor. Number of free electron, definitely conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor. Semiconductor means those material in which or whose electrical conductivity is what? Less than conductor but more than insulator. So, number of free electrons in intrinsic semiconductor, definitely they are less than that of number of free electron in conductor. So, this third statement is also true. Now, look at the fourth statement. There are no free electrons at any temperature except at absolute zero temperature. See here. No free electrons are available at absolute zero temperature, because at absolute zero temperature, pure or intrinsic semiconductor, it behaves like insulator, and with the increase in temperature, number of free electrons they goes on increases. So, this statement is wrong or false statement about the intrinsic semiconductor. So, option D is the correct option for this question.